Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. The other night I made a video about how to make a font thicker, and I've actually done this several times. This font is Arial Unicode and cannot be bolded, but you can hit your F12 key or go down here to your pen tool. And if you look, we can make it, there's no width, and there really you can't go too much. So if you can type in 100 points, watch how much thicker the font is now than the other one. And then a viewer, subscriber suggested, and I know this, and I probably made a video about it. If we left click, right click, and go ahead and go to object and convert this to a curve, you can use the contour tool and you can make it to the outside. And in this case, with square corners, let's say 0.25 of an inch. And let's go a little bit more. Well, we might not be able to go too much more, because then you start running into problems. But then if you go to object and break the contour part, you can actually select the font and delete it and then fill that in. And you should be able to fill it all in with black just by going here and then take away the outline. So you've got quite a bit thicker font. So I thank that viewer subscriber for reminding me of that, and hope that helped them and thank you for watching.